What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'll let you try and guess the car.
Did you know what you were going to do then?
Does it sound familiar? Let's find out. Tunnel! Honda.
It's keeping up.
That sounds so good. That's the thing, you just want to be constantly, you just want to be. tunnel! Second gear!
Yeah, very slow car.
And down. Jesus. Town centre, and we've got a nice tunnel, so we're going to try and leave a bit of space and get some cheeky noise out of it. Right, so we'll leave it in second and then we'll give it a boot. Sound really good, so good. It's like the first car that I've got into like do a review and it's actually put a really big smile on my face. But that's just because it's an R32. The noise is just unreal. Told you, all I want to do in this is just go up third, come down second, go up third, come down second. Second. Yeah, R32 that.
Oh shit, mate.
Shall we give him a cheeky launch? R32 that.
Must have it. It's changing my opinion on mk5s.
See, it's nice. It's like really loud, but then I've dropped it up into third. So if I drop into second now, it comes back to life, back up. It's nice and civilised, and it's really nice. So it has got a Multec system on it and a resonator delete, and it's got a map which I've been told takes it up to about 260. I think these come about 235 standard, and obviously it's a DSG, so the automatic gearbox, and it should be a 4matic, so 4Motion, basically 4-wheel drive. But yeah, it's so nice. It's really nice to drive. I thought it was going to feel really, really heavy, but I don't think I'd want a manual. If I was to get one with Sen, I think it'd actually have to be a DSG. I've driven a few cars now with DSG and they're just a bit unbeatable, to be fair. So I think it would have to be a DSG and not a manual. but it's just doing all the right things. It's just the right noises.
Car porn.
So it's just, I don't even want to talk. I don't even want to. I just want to. And then down a gear. So yeah, we have the Golf R32 Mark 5 today. It's a beast, as you've just seen in them clips, or short clip. It sounds amazing. It's got a stage 1 map on it. I'm not quite sure who it is. The only information I've been given is it's around 260 horsepower, whereas the standard one is about 230, 240 horsepower, give or take. So yeah, we've got 3.2 VR, basically. It's a bigger version of a vr6. So yeah, if you're not familiar with this 3.2 or the R32, the engine is basically the same engine what is in the Bugatti Veyron. So it's 4 of these engines basically put together, which give you the W12, or so on, what is in the Bugatti Veyron. Probably one of the best sounding engines on the market. Quite similar to an R35 Skyline, same sort of note. I can probably guess, and I have heard some with turbos on that do sound quite familiar. As you will see in some clips when we do some tunnel runs. So yeah, it has an Ultec exhaust system, which sounds absolutely incredible. Ultecs always seem to do like a really nice sounding exhaust for these. It's got a D-res, so it's no resonator. So it is, we found when we were going up through gears onto the motorway, and we went up into like 5th and 6th, it got a bit drony at about 60-70 mile an hour. It was quite drony. But apart from that only seemed to be when we had the windows up. When we had the windows down, there wasn't no drone. That might be just down to the sound deadening in the car or something funny like that. But it sounds absolutely brilliant when the windows are down and you drop it down into second, or you go up into third and drop it into second. It sounds awesome. So yeah, as you've seen, it's got the forged induction kit. There's some money there, and it's fairly clean. I'm not a massive fan of the Mark 5s. I am more of a fan of the Mark 4, but this, with the DSG gearbox, it's brilliant. It is a proper eye opener, to be fair. That's been my review of this car. I ain't really much to say. I thought I was going to have some bad stuff to say about this car, but the gearbox has just made it a really good drive. The car felt really stable. The seating position was good. The pedal positioning was good, and it all round, it is probably one of the best cars I have reviewed so far, and it's the only one that has put the biggest smile on my face. It's not the fastest car, but it's definitely the most fun, and that's what driving's about. So till next time guys, remember to subscribe, smash that bell icon, give me a big fat thumbs up. Till next time, see you later.